Hello, in this video I will show you how to configure the Affiliate QR Codes add-on. Go to the Affiliate Press Add-ons page. This is the Affiliate Press Feature Add-ons page. Now activate the Affiliate QR Codes add-on. The add-on is activated. Now click the Configure button. This is the Affiliate Press General Settings page. Scroll down and see the Affiliate QR Codes section. Now enable this option and click to Save button. Now go to the Front Side Affiliate User Affiliate panel. This is the Affiliate Dashboard page. Now open the Affiliate Links tab. This is the Affiliate Links page. Here you can see your QR code and download also. Affiliate user can share QR code, and when visitor use the QR code and purchase the product, then commission will be granted to affiliate user.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.